I'm Tim Bruce with the HomeCraft team, and I want to introduce to you 1045 Linden here in downtown Plymouth. You are going to love the inside of this home. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, Cape Cod. Check this one out. Hopefully you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful home. You're just a couple blocks from Hope Park, footsteps from Kellogg Park, and just off of Main Street. For more information, give us a call, 734-329-0123, or you can also check us out in the featured listing home on lovedtp.com for downtown Plymouth. Lovedtp.com. Thanks for checking this home out.